In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in MS Loop. Whether you're new to MS Loop or just looking to brush up on your skills, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in with a step-by-step guide packed with everything you need to know. First up, let's talk about getting into MS Loop. You'll want to start by navigating to the Microsoft Loop website. Once you're there, the process is pretty straightforward. Simply click on the Sign In button. A prompt will ask for your email and password. Fill in those details and click Next. This step is crucial for accessing your MS Loop documents securely, so make sure you enter the correct credentials. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to your page. This is where all your magic happens, your workspace where you can create, edit, and collaborate on Loop documents. Familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time. It'll make navigation much easier as we proceed. Now, let's get to the meat of today's tutorial. Typing in your text. Perhaps you're drafting a document or jotting down some quick notes. Whatever the case, simply start typing on your page. MS Loop allows for real-time collaboration, so don't be surprised if you see updates from your team popping up if you're working together on a document. But let's say you make a mistake or change your mind about something you've just typed. No need to panic. Undoing actions in MS Loop is as simple as pressing Ctrl or CMD on Mac plus Z on your keyboard. This handy shortcut is a lifesaver, instantly reversing your most recent action. And don't worry if you've pressed it accidentally. Pressing Ctrl or CMD plus Y will redo the action, getting you back to where you were. And there you have it. You're now equipped to handle typing and undoing actions in MS Loop like a pro. Remember, undoing actions can be incredibly useful, whether you're refining your ideas, fixing typos, or counteracting unintended changes made during collaboration. So go ahead, dive into your MS Loop documents with confidence, knowing you've got the knowledge to back you up. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your MS Loop experience, making your work more efficient and stress-free. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. So make the most of these tips as you navigate through your MS Loop adventures. See you in the next video.